Yeah, Mother's Day 2026. Me against me. Ain't no referee.
Look, I've been in the trenches with myself, dug the hole, dug the grave, then I climbed up out the dirt with the same hands that I gave. Never folded in my life, never folded in my life. I'm the crease and I'm the press, put the weight on my own chest, then I bench it like a test. I've been running from the mirror till I turned and shook its hand. Made a deal with my reflection, now we moving as a brand. Every scar a receipt, proof I paid what it cost, and I never took a loss, I just learned what I lost. No retreat, no surrender, no white flag in the wind. I'ma die on this hill before I live against the wall, then the wall about to bend. Me against myself, and I'm winning in the end. Grit in my teeth, grit in my grind, grit in my grip. Mother raised a soldier, I salute every clip. Ain't no quit in my blood, ain't no quit. Ain't no quit in my kin. Every time I die, every time I die a little, I come back as him. I've been boxing with my shadow, now my shadow throwing hooks. Wrote the story of my pain, now my pain in all the books. Now my pain in all the books. I'm a prisoner of war, and I'm the warden and the wall. Solitary with my thoughts, and my thoughts wanted it all. Mama said, keep your head touched it up. Now my head touched the cloud. Used to whisper to myself, now I'm screaming out loud. I've been down so many times that the down became the climb. Now the only way is up, and I'm taking all my time. Grit in my teeth, grit in my grind, grit in my grip. Mother raised a soldier, I salute every clip. Ain't no quit in my blood, ain't no quit. Ain't no quit in my kin. Every time I die, every time I die a little, I come back as him. Yeah, me against me. That's the only fight I'm fighting, that's the only one for free. Stack the cash, stack the days, stack the wins on the shelf. Came in this world by myself, leave a legend of myself. No white flag, no white flag. Fate.